Unlike cars, motorcycles have more exposed components, which means they need extra care while washing. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple steps to deep clean your motorcycle. Degrease the rims with brake cleaner. Brake cleaners are great degreasers as they don't cause any damage to the paint, evaporate quickly, and often cost effective than using a chain degreaser. Remove the front sprocket cover and degrease the area. I'm using an old toothbrush here to scrub the area and degrease it again and again until I start seeing a clean metal. Degrease the area near rear shock, under the bike, back of the engine, wherever you think the oil may have reached. You can clean your chain now, but I prefer to wash it so that I can get rid of that loose sand or gravel. Remove any accessories from the bike. Wash the bike in a shaded area and when engine is cold. Be careful walking the bike inside coin wash as the area is quite often slippery and muddy. Rinse the bike with cold water. Do not pressure wash directly on wheel bearings, fork seals, or electricals. One time I made a mistake of pressure washing the radiator grill from distance. Now that grill is made up of soft metal and the pressure ended up bending that grill. You don't want to make the same mistake that I made. You must have heard about 2-bucket wash method. 1 bucket is for washing and 1 bucket is for rinsing. I use these foldable buckets which are so easy to carry with you on the bike when you're washing your bike at the coin wash. Rinse the sponge inside clean water before going back into soapy water. This prevents scratching the paint from any grit and grime left on the sponge. Work on bike from top to bottom, working in small sections. Use small brushes to get into hard to reach areas. Rinse the bike with warm water. Use air compressor or clean microfiber towels to dry out the bike. For electricals under the seat, take a damp microfiber cloth and wipe it down gently. Clean the chain and lube it. If you would like to see an in-depth tutorial on chain cleaning, click the link above. Next, lubricate the kickstand, ignition, and clutch cable. The final step is to wax the bike to protect the paint. I use ACF 50, which is commonly used in aircrafts for rust proofing. ACF 50 not only protects the metal from rust corrosion, but also gives a shine to the paint. It is also good to know that this product is safe to use on electricals, but it's very slippery. Do not use it on your brakes, hand grips, levers, tires, and foot pegs as it can be very dangerous while riding. I don't know if it's me, but a clean motorcycle rides better. I'm putting this motorcycle away for the winter and I'm sure I'll be happy to ride a clean ride at the first day of the season next year. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you would like to stay connected for more motorcycle related content, feel free to like and subscribe this channel. Until then, ride safe.